Have you been looking for your own slice of Overton West? This home is a must-see. 4508 Briarhaven is just hitting the market. Beautiful 3-bedroom plus office, 2-bath, and a pool with a 2-car garage. If you know Fort Worth, you know how sought after Overton Park Elementary is, and this house is zoned for OPE. Plenty of parking with the side entrance garage and still plenty of backyard space. Swing into 2025 in your new home. Plenty of curb appeal, great craftsman style throughout. Let's take a look. The owners have replaced all the floors with luxury vinyl plank to make for easy maintenance and cleanup. You'll notice a grand entrance with vaulted ceilings. French glass doors lead to the front living area, perfect for entertaining. You'll notice plantation shutters throughout, and these are upgraded, newer double pane windows. The low E vinyl windows have the easy clean feature and are very energy efficient. The formal dining, now used as an office, is perfect for working from home and also has extra built-ins. Gorgeous kitchen with beautiful countertops, new appliances, and white cabinets with pulls. Just imagine yourself using this farmhouse sink. The added pantry is great for everyday use. Check out this gleaming 5-burner gas stove. The second sink is perfect for cooking prep and has a convenient trash drawer. The attention to detail is unmatched with extra storage drawers and slow close. Would you like to host a dinner party or a game night in this dining area? I certainly would. These beautiful windows look out on the crepe myrtle when in season and are a perfect place for your morning coffee. This glass door leads into the laundry room with extra storage space and room for an extra fridge if desired. Living room offers a beautiful gas fireplace, perfect for entertaining, and glass door allows separation to the secondary bedrooms, so you don't have to worry about waking up the little ones. As you come down the hall, you notice the half bathroom, perfect for guests or for using the pool. On the left is the first bedroom with not one, but 2 closets and a Jack and Jill bathroom that's shared with the secondary bedroom. The Jack and Jill bedroom has double sinks, beautiful accent tile, and shiplap. As you continue down the hall, you'll notice lots of extra storage and bedroom number 2 currently being used as a nursery. Access to the Jack and Jill bathroom there. The primary bedroom has not 1, 2, but 3 closets and has lots of light looking out on that back pool. The primary bathroom has been freshly renovated with upgraded tile, lighting, and paint, as well as a frameless shower. The 2-sided design is perfect if one spouse needs to wake up early and not wake up the other. And check out that pool view. The door off of the primary is perfect for letting the dog out at night or for a midnight swim. I love the crank windows. Entertaining outside is a breeze with a covered patio as well as lots of speakers to bring the party outside. You'll notice welcoming pool with water feature as well as raised beds perfect for gardening. You also have plenty of grass space in order to entertain and throw the ball for the dog. Thank you for watching Living in Fort Worth.